Hi, I'm Tim Gaspar with Gaspar Insurance, an insurance firm that specializes in protecting small to medium-sized businesses. Today we're going to talk about minimizing your business liability exposures and how you can effectively do that. There are literally hundreds of ways to reduce your business liability exposures depending on the type of business that you have. Today we're going to start with the one that happens the most frequently, and unfortunately, that's slip and fall accidents. Having a clean environment for your store, business, office, whatever it might be, is the key component in making sure that you can cut down on those claims. Definitely you want to make sure that anywhere the public sees is completely free of debris, cleaned on a regular basis, and doesn't have any exposures in which somebody might be able to trip or fall. Now unfortunately, a lot of the claims that we see for slip and fall are frivolous, where somebody actually slipped and fell on purpose in order to collect money from the business owner or the insurance company. Unfortunately, that's the world we live in, and that happens quite a bit. But as a business owner, if you have a clean environment free of hazards, you can make it a lot tougher for somebody to come in and do that. Generally speaking, somebody looking for opportunity is going to go after an easy target that actually has something that could be tripped over in their store. Now also, one of the key things you can do to make sure that you don't have slip and fall hazards is to make sure that certain parts of your business are off limits to the public. For instance, if you're an auto body shop, you want to make sure you're not letting customers back into where you actually work on the cars. Have a customer area that's clean, nice, and free of debris where people can sit and be safe, and don't actually let them where most of the work is going on. The same thing is true if you have a warehouse or a manufacturing facility. There are certain areas where it should only be accessible to your employees, and you don't really want the public going back there because it could expose you to not only slip and fall injuries, but all kinds of other injuries as well. Another key issue with business liability exposures is having product liability complaints, or some type of claim in regards to the product that you manufacture. On any business policy, generally speaking, you have something called products and completed operations. And this is the coverage that goes ahead and covers you in the event somebody sues you for something that you make or a service you do that injures somebody or injures property. Another key issue for business owners nowadays are professional liability claims. Anybody that provides any kind of business or service whatsoever has an exposure for professional liability claims. A professional liability claim is much, much different from a business liability claim in which somebody is financially harmed. The key thing you can do to protect yourself from professional liability claims is to obviously know your business well and to give the right advice, but even if you do, you want to make sure that you absolutely have documented communication with your client. I'm Tim Gaspar with Gaspar Insurance for Business.com, making sure that you're properly protected and that your business insurance premiums are as low as possible.